The central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS, both rely on electrical and chemical signaling to transmit information, but their mechanisms and contexts differ in notable ways. In the CNS, which includes the brain and spinal cord, signaling primarily occurs between neurons, via complex networks of synapses. Neurons communicate through action potentials, rapid changes in membrane potential that travel along axons, and neurotransmitters released at synaptic junctions. CNS synapses are often highly specialized, allowing for integration and processing of vast amounts of information. Here, signaling can be excitatory or inhibitory and is fine-tuned by a variety of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators, such as glutamate, GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. The high density of synaptic connections enables complex processes like learning, memory, and sensory interpretation. In contrast, the PNS consists of nerves and ganglia outside the CNS, connecting it to limbs and organs. Peripheral signaling also uses action potentials and neurotransmitters, but the context is more direct. Sensory neurons carry information from receptors to the CNS, while motor neurons transmit commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. At neuromuscular junctions, for instance, acetylcholine is the primary neurotransmitter leading to muscle contraction. The PNS also includes the autonomic nervous system, which regulates involuntary functions through sympathetic and parasympathetic pathways, using distinct neurotransmitters like norepinephrine and acetylcholine. While both systems use similar basic mechanisms, action potentials, and synaptic transmission, the CNS specializes in processing and integrating information, often with complex feedback and modulation, whereas the PNS focuses on relaying signals to and from the CNS, typically involving more straightforward one-to-one connections. Additionally, glial cells play supportive roles in both systems, but their types and functions can differ. For example, oligodendrocytes myelinate CNS axons, while Schwann cells myelinate those in the PNS. In summary, CNS signaling is characterized by intricate, highly regulated networks enabling complex functions, while PNS signaling emphasizes efficient communication between the CNS and the rest of the body, facilitating rapid responses and control of physiological processes.